Welcome back. Clearing operation at Kankona building collapse site is in final stage, but operation is still going on as one more victim is still missing. Earlier it was announced unofficially that operation has been complete, but relatives of a missing person requested to continue the search. Relatives of outstation victims are disheartened that they have not got compensation till now. Goa government has made arrangements to send bodies of Nepali victims by flight. Now the death toll has reached to 31. Before departing to mark their presence in Narendra Modi's rally, Sports Minister Ramesh Tawadkar and PWD Minister Sudhin Dhawlikar visited the building collapse site at Kankona. After making a site inspection, Sudhin Dhawlikar announced that clearing operation is in the last stage, and according to the list of missing persons, all bodies have been found.
As per my knowledge, all are found. Today morning, 2 were there.
But soon after making this statement, relatives of one missing person reached to the minister and said that his brother Pankaj Goswami is still missing. Relatives also claimed that missing Pankaj was working with two others whose bodies have already been found.
कल जो 2 बॉडी निकला ना, वो रामनाथ और दिनेश गोस्वामी सर, उसी के साथ ये लोग फ्रांच बांध रहे थे। ये आदमी जो नहीं मिला सर, कल उसको बोला कि एक आदमी नहीं मिला है, तो बोलता है ऊपर से जो माल है उसको पहले साइड करेंगे, इसके बाद ही नीचे वाले को फिर खोजेंगे। इसलिए हम लोग नहीं किए, और अभी बोल रहा है कि नहीं है। तो सर नीचे है, ये लोग तीनों एक ही जगह काम कर रहे हैं, तो ये तो उड़ नहीं जाएंगे।
The relatives of deceased victims are also disappointed because checks of ex gratia compensation have been handed over only to the local victims. They are saying that they just want to go back to their homes to perform the last rites, but do not have a penny to return. Ramesh Tawadkar says that outstation victims will get the compensations at their hometown, and the whole process will take at least 10 days.
गोवा सरकार ने जो गोवा के अदर स्टेट में भी उनको भी 2-2 लाख डिक्लेयर किए, और नेपाल के भी उन लोगों को 2 लाख डिक्लेयर किए। और उनको चेक पूरा प्रोसीजर करने से वो वहाँ के कलेक्टर के पास जाएंगे, कलेक्टर के थ्रू उनके फैमिली को पहुँच जाएगा।
Goa government has also made arrangements to send bodies of Nepali victims through flight on 14 January, that's Tuesday. Mukesh Kumar and Babesh Borkar for Prudent. Bicholi police succeeded in nabbing the history sheeter Manohar Ketkar. He was absconding since November after murdering his own wife. The accused was arrested in Davoli, Margaon, and at present is in custody of Bicholi police.
On the complaint of Mr. Manoj Ketkar, ज्यांनी कंप्लेंट दिली की आपल्या बापायन आपल्या आवयची मर्डर केल्या म्हणून लाडफे हांगासर. देर आफ्टर बेस्ड ऑन इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्यूज्ड असलो मिस्टर मनोहर लक्ष्मण केतकर, he was after committing murder he was absconding right from 18/11/2013. he was absconding. Basically he is a history sheeter of Dodamarg police station. त्याची इन्फॉर्मेशन अशी असली की ही वॉज बेसिकली स्टेईंग इन जंगल्स. जंगलान रावता असल्या कारणान आमकां तो ट्रेस करपाक डिफिकल्ट जावपाक लागलो. वी हॅव यूज्ड ऑल मिन्स लायक गांवच्या लोकांचे सहकार्य घेवप ऑर लायक सायंटिफीक इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन, अँड एट लास्ट ऑन एस्टरडे वी मॅनेज टू ट्रॅप हिम विथ ग्रेट एफर्ट्स with the help of our LIB team and also with the help of investigation team South headed by Mr. Ravi Desai, PI Ravi Desai, and we managed to nab him at Dawarlim, Margaon. Presently he is in our custody.
Manohar Ketkar on 18th November 2013 had allegedly killed his wife Manisha Ketkar and was absconding thereafter. His son Manoj had filed a complaint against his father at Bicholi police station. The search was on since then. Uday Parab for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.